What's up, guys? So today what we're going to be installing is the front lip on the Audi S3. I just got it in, so we're going to go ahead and get that installed and hopefully change up the look on the car, because right now in the front it needs something. As you can tell, I went ahead and did the blackout on the amber lights on sides, the trim, spacers, and yeah, and it's looking pretty good so far. It looks a little bit better than what it did when it came, so yeah, looks pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the front lip. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this was a test lip. I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit. I went ahead and tested it out. It does. It's for a newer model, I believe, for like the 8Y S3, but it fits just fine. Everything lines up. So I'm gonna go ahead and post the link down below so you guys can go ahead and take a look at it. But let me go ahead and get real close so you guys can see it. It's a full gloss black lip. It's pretty aggressive because it does have the side cannons and stuff like that, but I think it'll do good on the car once I get it lowered a little bit and like throw on the spoiler and the side skirts and stuff like that. It'll blend right in. So let's go ahead and get to the install. So I really can't lift it on both sides, but I think lifting up one side, both sides go up just enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape the lip on there just so I know exactly where I want it. But yeah, let me go ahead and get it taped on there, and then we'll start drilling into the new bumper. So I kind of got it held there with like tape and jack stands when the jack stands should be under there, but whatever. Let me show you guys what the lip looks like. So it's pretty flush on there. I do like this lip a little bit more just because of the front. It's not just a piece that's hanging, and I think once it's on there, it really adds on to the car. So I just need to go ahead and drill, but I just want to go ahead and make sure everything's correct on there. Make sure this line right here is dead center with Audi, the Audi emblem right there. But yeah, let's see how that looks. I think it's gonna look good, hopefully. And then also, I got some canards to go with it. So the canard's gonna go in the back. I just need a side skirt, and the body modifications should be done kinda. Still need my grill to come in, these to be blacked out. And then we'll see about wheels and some carbon fiber parts, spoilers, stuff like that. And then we'll go ahead and move into engine mods, which I have a ton of as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and get with the body modifications first, exterior modifications, and then we'll go ahead and go and start touching the engine, or I might mix them in there, like one exterior, one engine, you know. Enough talking. I'm just like postponing it because I'm not ready to drill into this. But let me go ahead and start drilling into my new Audi S3 bumper. Alright guys, so I went ahead and drilled it in. I'll show you guys from underneath what it looks like. But yeah, came out pretty flush. I'm actually surprised. But I'll show you guys from underneath. So there's 1, 2, 3 in the middle, and I believe there's 4 on each side. So it's really easy to get them in there, no problems. This thing's pretty stiff on there, so I don't think there's any chance of this coming off while driving. I never had a problem with like that before on any lip, so I'm not worried about that now, but it looks pretty good. And I'll take it out in a bit just so you guys can see it like while it's on the ground ready. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Definitely adds on to the front, which I think this car needs, because I don't know, it's kind of a flat nose, and I don't know, it needs to be more aggressive in the front. So yeah, but let me go ahead and drop the car and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so I pulled it out, and yeah, it looks a whole lot better. To me it does. Just looks a lot more aggressive, which I wanted to do on this car, just because that's what I needed. Like I said, this car is very flat nose, or like a small front end, so I wanted to extend it a little bit more, and I'm still not done. I still got some things I'm planning on doing to the front just so it looks a little bit more aggressive and it sticks out more, so the car doesn't look so small. But I think the front lip makes a big difference, and once it's lowered and has the side skirts, it'll tie everything in. It'll look really good on the car. So yeah guys, tell me what you guys think about it. I'll show you guys a little bit more up front. Actually, you know what's throwing me off? This silver piece. I'm gonna go ahead and get that wrapped black right now, and just because it's throwing me off some, but I need the front grill as well, and then it'll look better. But yeah guys, tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of the build so far. what would you guys recommend doing, or what would you guys do instead. This car, I didn't want to go for so much carbon fiber just because it's going to go a lot faster, and I don't want anything to break or anything like that when I'm driving, or if something hits it, just because this isn't going to be just a show car. This is going to be more of a sports race car. So until next time, guys, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to comment down below, and please subscribe, like the video. It does help out quite a bit. I hope you guys like the build, how it's coming out so far. I am, because I'm pretty much doing everything again like I did to the car before, and it's coming out exactly how I wanted to. I need to get those painted red. But yeah, until next time, guys, peace.